What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. We are here with the Subi. I don't have the M340i today because we're not going to do any videos with the M340i. We're going to do a POV on the Subi. If you guys don't know, this Subi actually has over 400 wheel horsepower, fully modified. Yes, I'm the owner, and I've had this car for around 2 years. If you guys are new to the videos, so I'm trying to explain to you guys what I have. And the original, yes, this is a wrap. The original color is white. So, but I actually have to check my oil. I haven't gotten a freaking oil change like in a while, but we're not gonna do that right now. We're just gonna do a POV today. It's kind of dark. You can see the sunset, but you know, we're here for this amazing baby, bro. I wanted to do a POV on this because I barely drive it, and you know, it's always nice driving it, especially in the outskirts of where I'm from. There's nothing over there, there's no traffic, so we're gonna have some fun today. As long as the car is healthy, it doesn't break, everything is fine. We're gonna push it to the limits, and that's exactly what we do in these videos. We push these cars to the limits. So go hit the subscribe button, but let's get this baby on the road. If you guys don't know, I'm actually bagged. Put it on 50. Oh, let's go, and let's get this baby started. Hey, yo, what did I just go over? There's so much dirt in this area of the street, so people be like, is it on neutral? Is it on neutral? Well, yes it is. Let's go. I love this car because the turbo noises on this car is just outrageous. It's not the fastest out there, but you know, I have so much fun with this car. The only problem is that it's like something always happens, and I hate that. I love those popping noises so much. Oops, no, it's gonna be bad. Oops, that's not too bad. If you guys are planning to own a Subaru, don't think it's gonna come out the factory how this one's gonna come out. I put in so much work into this car, it's crazy. But other than that, I still love this car so much. This is the car that started everything. My passion, the YouTube channel, and everything is going great. This car actually has 41,000 miles. I came with 3,000. And I got it in 2020. That was not the vibe, honestly. The downshift are so crispy. I wish I had one of those the thing that does the automatic downshift, like in those Mustangs, I think they do. I wish I had that, honestly. I want to see what's the difference. this is looking like a late night POV because the sun went down literally quick as heck. Damn, sunset was like at 6 something. It's already like what, like 6? It's already like 6:30, I think. Oh, that was quick. No types of sunset. It's looking like a late night POV type of thumbnail. Do you guys see what I mean? No types, everything over here is just no traffic, anything like that. car is amazing. Yo, so we transported over here. I don't know, my GoPro was acting up, so I had to end the video a little short, but I feel like we got plenty of footage, which is a good thing. So look at this baby. Yo, so what's next for the Subi? Nothing is next completely. This car is modified how I wanted to modify it, but what I do want to do is fix this hood. This hood is actually pretty nasty. It's, if the sun, I don't know, the sun has created it to look ugly. I want it to look like these fenders, because these fenders still have the shine to it. The hood doesn't, so I need to get sanded down. I looked up a lot of YouTube videos, so yes, the wrap is a wrap. Okay, I'm actually do a video on the wrap in a different video, so you guys can get an idea of how the wrap is coming out. I've had the wrap for like, I want to say since January, February. I want to say like around since January, I believe so, but I actually don't remember. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is what a over 400 wheel horsepower Subi looks like, sounds like. And honestly, this car is pretty quick for being a 4-cylinder. It looks so nice, bro. I'm never gonna get rid of this car. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also if you guys want to see M340i content, I have an M340i, so there's gonna be more content on that. I'm gonna try to go to some car meets, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you guys on the next video.